Who underscore is underscore Allah underscore Hazrat. Imam Ahmad Raza's character is that you were not born yet 170 years ago. Your rightness was announced on the land of Gujaratis. Rajkot is a place in Gujarat. 120 kilometers away from Rajkot is Kalaria Sharif. In Kalaria Sharif, there was a big Kanka Hesarazia, and in it, a very big scholar, Rabbani Wali I Kamil Syed Muhammad Saleh Shiraji Qadri Alahi Rahma, used to read Sunnah books during the day. While giving dars at night, when he used to pray standing on the floor, he used to remain engrossed in worshipping God the whole night. Once you are sitting in your Kanka giving dars of Bukhari Sharif, while teaching you came across a hadith of Ilme Gab, you said this hadith proves that Huzur alayhi salam knows the knowledge of Gab, and sat holding the head. There was a glow on the face. Then, after some time, your face blossomed like a rose. Where is the student? Surprised, upset, teacher, what is the matter? We did not understand. You were teaching Bukhari Sharif. Suddenly you sat down holding your head. Your face became sad. Then your face blossomed. Then Sayyid Muhammad Saleh Shirazi used to say Allah Allah ilme gaib. When I was presenting hadiths, suddenly I was struck by a revelation from the court of God. And in that revelation, I was informed that a sect has now been born on the land of India. It has not happened who would be a disbeliever of the Prophet, peace and blessings of Allah be upon him. But after a few years, a sect would arise, which would be a disbeliever of the Prophet, peace and blessings of Allah be upon him. As soon as this news was given to me, I was very shocked and sat holding my head. But after some time, another revelation came. Allah Allah. Now see the glory of the Imam. The news was given that when this falsehood will be born, then Parvar-Digar-e-Alam will produce a very big Rabbani scholar to crush their troubles and troubles. When this news was given, my face blossomed. Then you further say, if I want, I can take the name of that scholar Rabbani in this gathering, I can tell. Allah Allah. Talba said, Huzur, now tell me, you listen with your ears open, when Wahhabi sect will be born on the land of India, which will be a disbeliever of the Prophet, peace and blessings of Allah be upon him, then God will not leave the Ummah of his Habib alone for their reformation. For his leadership and for the cancellation of Wahhabis, Imam Ahmad Raza will be born on the land of Bareilly, and Imam Ahmad Raza will put the last nail in the coffin of his false beliefs, and the flag of truth will rise.